All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
The Defence Acquisition Council, DAC, under the chairmanship of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, on Tuesday approved 10 capital acquisition proposals amounting to 1,44,716 crore rupees. Of the total cost, 99% is from indigenous sources under Buy Indian and Buy Indian indigenously designed, developed and manufactured categories. For modernization of the tank fleet of the Indian Army, the proposal for procurement of Future Ready Combat Vehicles, FRCVs, has been cleared. Defense Ministry in a post on X, procurement of Future Ready Combat Vehicles, Air Defense Fire Control Radars, Dornier to 28 aircraft, Next Generation Fast Patrol and Offshore Patrol Vessels gets the nod. Of the total cost of acceptance of necessity, RON, 99% is from indigenous sources under Buy Indian and Buy Indian indigenously designed, developed and manufactured categories. Ministry of Defence said in a separate statement, for modernization of the tank fleet of the Indian Army, the proposal for procurement of Future Ready Combat Vehicles, FRCVs, has been cleared. The FRCV will be a futuristic main battle tank with superior mobility, all-terrain ability, multi-layer protections, precision and lethal fires over and real-time situational awareness. The FRCV will be a futuristic main battle tank with superior mobility, all-terrain ability, multi-layered protections, precision and lethal fires over and real-time situational awareness. Approval was also accorded for procurement of air defense fire control radars, which will detect and track aerial target and provide firing solution. A proposal has also been approved for forward repair team, TRACT, which has suitable cross-country mobility for carrying out in-situ repair during mechanized operations. This equipment is designed and developed by Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited and is authorized for both Mechanized Infantry Battalion and Armored Regiment. 3 proposals were also approved to enhance the capabilities of the Indian Coast Guard, ICG. The procurement of Dornier to 28 aircraft, Next Generation Fast Patrol Vessels having high operational features in rough weather conditions and Next Generation Offshore Patrol Vessels with advanced technology and enhanced long-range operations, will enhance the capability of ICG to carry out surveillance, patrolling of maritime zone, search and rescue and disaster relief operations. Prior to approving proposals, the Cabinet Committee on Security on Monday approved the procurement of new engines for the Su-30 MKI fighter jet deal with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, set to get a 26,000 crore rupees contract to manufacture them at its Koraput plant. The IL-31FP engines are to be delivered over an 8-year period and would have an indigenous content of over 54%. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led CCS has cleared an order for 240 of these that will replace older engines that are coming to the end of their service life.